Howdy, howdy, y'all. So, we're back at it here. This is one that's coming through the shop. Just going to get a little bit of freshening up and a little rebirthing. So this is a 1955 Hudson Metropolitan. So these cars, I believe they came out in 1953, and they were tagged under Nash for a name. And I think close to the end of 1954 was when Nash was merging with Hudson. And actually that's what created AMC Motors at the time. So this car, we haven't really even named it yet. But what I can tell you so far on what we got here is the red. It's called Rio Red and Snowberry White on the top of it. This car, stock, came with a 40 horsepower motor, 1200 cc's, so centimeters there. Yeah. Haven't really gotten too deep into this thing. We're going to be putting a fresh battery in it, cranking it over, seeing what's going on. What I have seen is, we'll show you right now, the distributor is missing. So we're going to change or figure that one out and put a new distributor in it, or source a distributor. The car doesn't have that much for rust on it. Someone's cared for this thing before. The tags on this thing, it's looking like the 90s was the last time it was on the road. And this thing is full 40 horsepower. It is a 12 volt system for 55. I know Ford switched in 57, and I think Chevy was there already in 55. So there was 12 volt around for sure. Makes things a little bit, I don't know, easier, I guess, just because we don't have to go worry about buying a 6 volt battery, right? But yeah, the car isn't too bad. Let's take a look at the interior here just to get the full effect. This was, I think, the beginning of fuel economy for vehicles. This thing's main competition would have been the Volkswagen Beetle back in its time. Just starting out here. So 55, obviously I like it because it's partially a Hudson. Gotta just stay with the Hudsons, And what else was there left on this thing? Oh, I think they want to change the carpet kit. They've got a new carpet kit, and that's just some kind of house carpeting. So we're going to put carpets in this thing. We're going to get the motor running, clean out the gas tank, of course, and get a compression check done on it. And we'll see how she passes the compression test. And if everything's good there, we'll just make sure that fluids are all topped up and going. Right now, fingers crossed. You don't know at this point when a vehicle's been seen this long, the history. Of course, brakes will be going through it. I need to read up too. I haven't seen if it's manual brakes or whatnot going in here, but it looks promising. It doesn't look bad. It's not locked up. It's nothing fancy like that. We're going to just put a distributor in it, find TDC and put a distributor in it, go from there. Just thought I'd share this one with you. It is a different car for sure. It's not the Nash either, so it's cool that it's got the Hudson heritage with it, right? Because I don't know, that's what we're about, is the Hudsons, right? So funny how things work out sometimes. You get on the Hudson train, and then now we're riding it, right? So here we go. Shame it doesn't have white walls. Always a fan on the white walls, but it's got all its hubcaps. So someone's cared about this car for quite some time. Probably a light restoration at some point. And yeah, guys, let me know. Let me know here if you want to see more of this one or not, or we can just get it running and do another quick shot of the car afterwards. But if you got questions or comments, I would love to hear more and learn more. We're going to figure out where to post this video to try and get some Metropolitan people to chime in and let us know if we're looking at something rarity or whatnot for it. I don't really think so. I think it just switched to Hudson at the time from Nash. So, but Yeah. I haven't even checked the oil yet, so we're going to get into this thing, get it started up, and like I said, let's hope the compression test, everything passes great. So close this up. 1955.